Hello. I'm so glad you've registered for this training. If you're serious about wanting to start a business, one where it requires fairly little capital to get started, doesn't require any staff, and you have the ability to generate a 6 or even a 7-figure income while helping other people live better business lives, then you're not going to see anything better than what you're going to learn here. What I want to do is try my very best to give you an unbiased look at what it takes to become successful as a business consultant. I also want to bust some myths. I want to bust some myths that so many people have around business consulting. Things like if you need a degree to become a successful business consultant. If anyone would want to listen to you or seek your help because you haven't been involved in this industry before. If you actually have the ability to help other people, even though you may not have been helping other people in this way before. And that is really the key areas that I want to cover and dispel any myths. And I won't sugarcoat it. Okay, this is not a career for everyone. You really must genuinely want to help other people for you to become successful in this type of industry. But if that's you, I do want to see you on Wednesday, and you are going to learn things that really are going to be eye-opening. And more than that, I'm just going to show you example after example of individuals just like you from every possible background you can imagine that I've helped create wonderful 6 and even 7-figure consulting practices for themselves. So don't miss it. Lock down in your calendar now the time, and make sure that you've got undisturbed time to really take notes on what I'm about to share with you, because it quite possibly could change your entire world. I look forward to seeing you there.